Just want to show you the difference between the size of peppers that were grown in a container versus in the ground. This one here was grown in a container. For me, it is so much easier to water, to check for pests, and to deal with spacing and so forth when it's in a container. It's more of a challenge, although the peppers, at least in my experience, have not been prone to any type of pests that I can't deal with. It's relatively, at least this variety, is pest free. Now, as you see here, this is the same variety. This one here, these are the same color, and then what happens is they go from this green to this yellow to a scarlet red. But this one, I have peppers that I had in my greenhouse, over my unheated greenhouse, over the winter, that got much bigger than this. And so I can tell you that it would have continued to grow had I not harvested it. So if you're considering doing containers versus in-ground and you are a beginner, you may want to consider at least starting out with a container. There's lots and lots of designs, and I think I may have something that I can link to that I can show you what I've done. So hope this helps.